Niagara Falls over there. I'm gonna go over to it. Later today, my phone still has battery. I'm gonna post another video of the history of the USS Little Rock and maybe some other ships that are there. I don't know if my phone will survive, but hopefully it survives one tour at least. So I should follow up around 5:30, something like that. Yo, look, there's Jeremy the seagull, bro. Look, it's Jeremy the seagull, bro. Look. Yo, there's all Jeremy's friends. Yo, let's get lit. Yo, let's get lit. Yo, bro, got the electric scooter. Yo, blood small as heck. No, I'm not talking about him. I'm talking about that bird I saw. I talking about a bird I saw back there. Yo, bro, nah, bro, no. You guys might think that's the Sky Needle or the CN Tower, but it's not. It's actually a replica of the CN Tower, I think. A mini one. I mean, it's still tall, don't get me wrong, but it's not that big. I'm on the American side, by the way. Last year, I was on the Canadian side, which is over there. And that white building over there, I actually went into it. It's pretty cool. So they have this like little movie theater thing. It's not really a movie theater, though. I mean, it is a... Yo, Jeremy, what's up? Bro, it's Jeremy the seagull, bro. Just flying by saying what's up. Oh, sorry. I was on this bridge last year. Crazy to think I was there 1 year ago. Oh, look at all that mist. Yo, let's go right here.
Mount up.
Oh, sorry. That's so freaking cool, bro. It's the Maid of the Mist over there. Good. Ooh.
Don't drop your phone. Yo,
Birdie.
Bird. Stop.
Birdie.
Yo, bro, look at the bird.
Yeah, I'm recording it right now. Oh, guys. I don't know if you can see it, but you can kind of see the Canadian side, right? Gotta turn my brightness up.
Yeah.
Right about there. Alright, guys. Say bye to Jeremy the seagull and his buddies. Bye.